In a world where the first thing we reach for in the morning is often our smartphone, social media has become an inseparable part of our lives. It connects us with friends, trends, and news in an instant. But beneath the glossy photos, viral videos, and seemingly perfect posts lies a double edged sword. Social media has the power to uplift us or drag us down, shaping not only how we perceive the world but also how we see ourselves. Is this digital tool a means of building connections, or has it turned into a silent thief of self worth and mental peace? Social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Snapchat have revolutionized communication, enabling people to connect like never before. However, the growing reliance on these platforms has sparked widespread debate about their impact on mental health and self esteem. While social media has undeniable benefits, like fostering communities, spreading awareness, and providing entertainment, it can also lead to anxiety, depression, and a distorted sense of self. Studies suggest that the constant exposure to curated, idealized versions of others' lives can make people feel inadequate, lonely, and unworthy. It's a paradoxical space where we seek validation but often end up questioning our worth. Understanding how social media affects mental health and self-esteem is essential in today's hyper-connected world. The positive side of social media: connection and community. Social media bridges geographical gaps, allowing people to maintain relationships across continents. It also helps users find communities where they can share interests, beliefs, or struggles. For individuals dealing with loneliness, chronic illness, or niche hobbies, platforms like Reddit, Facebook groups, or support communities can be lifelines. Raising awareness. Social media has been a powerful tool for amplifying causes, raising awareness about mental health, and normalizing conversations around previously taboo topics like depression or anxiety. Campaigns such as Hush Mental Health Awareness have provided a voice to the voiceless. Professional and personal growth. Social platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube offer opportunities to showcase talents, grow businesses, and achieve career goals. For creators and entrepreneurs, social media can serve as a portfolio or launchpad for success. Entertainment and inspiration. From humor-filled memes to inspiring success stories, social media offers a wealth of content that can uplift spirits, motivate action, and provide much-needed escapism from life's challenges. Now, what is the dark side of social media? The comparison trap. One of the most harmful effects of social media is the tendency to compare oneself with others. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are filled with carefully curated and often heavily edited content that showcases people's best moments. This creates a false standard of perfection, leading users to feel inadequate about their appearance, achievements, or lifestyle. Impact on self-esteem. Constant comparison can erode self-worth as individuals measure their real lives against an idealized, filtered reality. Psychological effect. Studies show that prolonged exposure to such content increases feelings of envy, dissatisfaction, and even depression. Fear of missing out, FOMO. Social media can amplify FOMO, making users feel left out of exciting events, trends, or experiences. This phenomenon can lead to heightened anxiety and compulsive checking of social feeds to stay updated. Mental health consequences. FOMO often results in stress, a lack of gratitude for one's own life, and difficulty concentrating on real-world relationships and responsibilities. Addiction and overuse. Social media platforms are designed to be addictive, using algorithms to keep users scrolling endlessly. This overuse can lead to sleep disturbances, neglected relationships, decreased productivity, cyberbullying and harassment. The anonymity of the internet has emboldened many to bully or harass others. Cyberbullying can have devastating effects, especially on teenagers and young adults, leading to depression, social withdrawal, and in extreme cases, self-harm. Validation-seeking behavior. The dopamine rush from likes, comments, and shares can make users reliant on external validation for their self-esteem. When engagement is low, it may lead to feelings of rejection or unworthiness. Mental health disorders linked to social media. Anxiety and depression. Excessive use of social media has been linked to increased rates of anxiety and depression. The constant need to stay connected and the pressures of presenting a perfect online persona can overwhelm individuals. Body dysmorphia. For many, especially young people, exposure to unrealistic beauty standards on social media contributes to body dissatisfaction and eating disorders. Filters and editing apps further distort perceptions of what is normal. Sleep disorders. Late night scrolling, exposure to blue light, and the urge to stay online contribute to disrupted sleep patterns, which in turn exacerbate mental health issues. How to mitigate the negative effects of social media? Practice digital detoxing. Set boundaries by limiting screen time and taking breaks from social media. Designate specific times to check your feeds and avoid scrolling before bedtime. Curate your feed. Follow accounts that inspire, educate, or uplift you rather than ones that make you feel inadequate. Unfollow or mute accounts that contribute to negative self-comparisons. Focus on real-life relationships. Invest time in nurturing relationships offline. Face-to-face interactions are more fulfilling and meaningful than virtual connections. Be mindful of content creation. Instead of seeking validation, share content that genuinely resonates with you. Avoid the pressure to present a perfect life. Let's understand more about how social media impacts our life. Amplified comparison culture. Social media fosters an environment of constant comparison by exposing users to the curated lives of others. People often share highlights of their lives, vacations, promotions, or picture-perfect moments, leaving out struggles and mundane realities. This creates a distorted perception that others are living better, more fulfilling lives. For many users, this comparison can diminish self-esteem, leading to feelings of inadequacy, jealousy, and dissatisfaction. Over time, this emotional toll can develop into chronic stress or depression, especially among those already prone to self-doubt. Addiction to validation and social approval. The dopamine-driven feedback loop of likes, comments, and shares on social media platforms hooks users into seeking validation from their peers. This constant craving for external approval can erode intrinsic self-worth. When a post doesn't receive the anticipated level of engagement, users may feel rejected, unworthy, or invisible. This dependency on online validation to gauge personal value creates a fragile self-esteem, easily shattered by negative feedback or a lack of response. Distorted body image standards. Social media is saturated with heavily edited images, filters, and idealized portrayals of beauty. These images often set unattainable body standards, especially for young people, leading to body dissatisfaction and low self-esteem. Research links frequent exposure to such content with eating disorders, body dysmorphia, and an obsession with cosmetic enhancements. The pressure to conform to these unrealistic standards drives individuals to measure their worth by their appearance, often ignoring other vital aspects of their personality or achievements. Cyberbullying and online harassment. The anonymity afforded by social media platforms often emboldens users to engage in bullying and harassment. Victims of cyberbullying experience severe emotional distress, including anxiety, depression, and social withdrawal. The public nature of online harassment can exacerbate humiliation, leaving long-lasting psychological scars. Adolescents and young adults are particularly vulnerable as they are more likely to seek affirmation online, making the impact of such attacks even more damaging to their self-esteem. Overexposure to negativity and toxic content. Social media algorithms often amplify sensational or negative content because it drives higher engagement. As a result, users may be frequently exposed to online conflicts, divisive opinions, and distressing news. This overexposure can lead to heightened stress, anxiety, and a pessimistic outlook on the world. Furthermore, engaging with toxic content, whether debates or arguments, can leave users emotionally drained, affecting their mental resilience and self-confidence. Unrealistic expectations for success and lifestyle. Social media often glorifies wealth, luxury, and effortless success, creating unrealistic benchmarks for what constitutes a fulfilling life. Users exposed to influencers or peers flaunting material wealth, extravagant lifestyles, or rapid career advancements may feel inadequate about their own progress. This pressure to keep up can lead to burnout, anxiety, and a deep seated fear of failure. Over time, these unrealistic expectations diminish self esteem as users feel their achievements and efforts are never enough compared to the aspirational lives portrayed online. Let's understand negative impacts of social media on mental health and self esteem with this pie chart. Unrealistic expectation, sleep disruption, exposure to toxic content, emotional disconnection.